Here's Tchaikovsky's Waltz. If you remember earlier on in the book, there was a song called Cinderella's Waltz. And what a waltz is loud, soft, soft, loud, soft, soft. It's a 3-beat dance with that kind of melody. So listen to what I'm playing and you tell me which hand is loud and which hand is soft, soft. So if you said right hand was loud, you were right. Loud, soft, soft was the pattern throughout here. Let's start with the right hand first, where the melody is. So my 3 on middle E, hold that down. Hold, 2, 3, wait, 2, 3. Hold, 2, 3, 2, 3. 2, 3. Hold, 2, 3, wait, 2, 3. Let's switch to the left hand. Thumb on G, 3 on E. And we're going to play it softly. Like this. Next. Let's go to the last line. There's one thing I want to change. The music on yours probably says it's 3 on here. We're going to scratch that out. It's going to be 1, 1, 5. 1, 1,